Welcome to part 2 of our math battle, where we will be working with multi-step addition problems. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 10 plus 2, take away 5. That's 3 steps. 10 plus 2, take away 5.
So this is the 10.
Okay.
And this is the 2.
All right.
And you take away 5. That makes 7.
Very good. For you, give me 20 plus 1, take away 5.
Okay. So
20.
This is 20. Take away.
Plus 1.
I'm at plus 1.
Now take away 5.
Take away 5.
And tell me how many you have left. Move your 5 out the way. How many do you have left there? No. You're not counting this. You're over here. Okay, what is this right here by itself?
10.
Okay. Then what's this?
5.
And then what's that?
1.
Okay, how many do you have? No, how many is this?
10.
Plus
5.
plus
1.
how many do you have?
16.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you for joining us for our math battle night. This is how they learn when they homeschool. We play games because children learn through play. For more learning resources, join us at dinoherolearningco.com for more PDF books, more learning materials, curriculum books, and thank you.